So, good morning, everyone. As we have planned for today, we will do the map work of chapter 2 and 3 today, and which will help you to understand the location of Mesopotamian civilization and the Roman Empire. So, we are starting with the map. I'll explain you the important things to be marked, and I'll also tell you their location. Now, so first we will start with the map work of chapter 2, which is our Mesopotamian civilization. So it is Mesopotamian civilization, and the important things that we need to mark in this are, I think because we have done the chapter, you all must be familiar with many of these areas. So starting with first, we have river Euphrates, river Tigris, Uruk, Ur, Nineveh, Mari, Babylon, Sumer and Akkad. अब ये अपने को पता है कि ये जो सुमेरियन सिविलाइजेशन है और ये जो अकेडियन रूल है, बेसिकली ये जो है ये उन्हीं एरिया पे था जहाँ पे ये बेबीलोन और अक्कड़ जो है ये लोकेटेड थे. So if we know their location, we will be able to locate their rule, or their, you can say, the region over which they rule. So now, as I told you, let us be more clear about their exact location. When I say exact location, let us first understand that where was the Mesopotamian civilization exactly located in the world. If you can see this, the first map, which is actually our physical map of the world, you can see this area which is marked in red. If you can see this area, you will notice that this is actually the area which is our Mesopotamian civilization. ठीक है, इसको if we expand more and we want to know the exact location of this area, we should actually look towards the second map on the same slide. And this second map, as you all can see, is this area where you can clearly, I suppose, see Mesopotamia, the thing which is colored in mustard kind of color, and you can see two big rivers flowing through it. ठीक है, and you can see the location जहाँ पे ये Egypt लिखा है. This is basically our African continent. This side we have Europe, and this side we have South Asia. All of these are stated in the map. Now this is the map that we need to understand कि world में exactly जो Mesopotamia है, जो Mesopotamian civilization है, वो कहाँ पे exactly located थी. तो अगर world के हिसाब से देखें तो ये वाली एरिया है, and if you थोड़ा सा उसको expand करके अगर properly उसके एरिया को analyze करना चाहे, so this is the area that you can see, where you can see this side we have Mediterranean Sea, we have Africa here, we have Europe, and we have South Asia towards the other side. Now moving on to the more detail, because it is actually very difficult and it will not be clear if we locate all the things on these maps. So we will mark them in a more broader map, and because you will be provided the map in your exam, so if you know these locations, you will be able to mark them. Okay. Also keep your books in front of you so that you can easily mark these places in your book as well for your later, if you later want to have a look again at them. So as we said, that first thing that we need to look at is our Euphrates river. I suppose you all can see the Euphrates river on this map. There are two big rivers that flow in this area, and if we look at the map carefully, you will see this, the area that I have written Euphrates river, and you can see this blue colored line which shows the river which is actually flowing here. I am just trying to mark it through the red line, if you can notice it. This is your river Euphrates. So I suppose this is clear. You have a look at it again and also look at it in your books. Okay, now this is the main river Euphrates, and there are few of the, you can say, tributaries of this river. The next river that we need to understand is the Tigris River. Now for Tigris River, again I'm trying to mark the river and just have a look at it, and along with this also look in your book so that you can easily mark the places. अब ये जो Tigris River है, if you see the red kind of line that I am drawing, this is your Tigris River and it is flowing towards the whole of the Mesopotamian civilization. So this will help you to mark this river as well, and we already know these two rivers were the most important rivers if we talk in terms of the Mesopotamian civilization. Okay, so now since we have marked the two important rivers of the Mesopotamian civilization, now we move on to the next thing. As we have studied about the important cities, तो हमने पढ़ा था उरुक के बारे में. If you remember now, when I am trying to circle this area, which is Uruk, I suppose all of you can notice it. ये है Uruk. I suppose everyone is able to see this. This is our city of Uruk of the Mesopotamian civilization. Now we move on to our next city, which was Ur. Now I'll try to circle Ur, and then you will be able to notice this one also. Just see, this is Ur. I think every one of you can notice it. Okay, with this our Ur is also located. Now we move on to our next area. The next area that we need to know is Nineveh. This is Nineveh. And I think you all can see it. It is towards, you can say, the upper portions of the upper course of the Tigris River. Okay, just Tigris River के ऊपर located है. Then जो next अपना, as you can see, this is Babylon. तो जो हम Babylonian Empire या Babylonian के बारे में बात करते हैं, वो इसी एरिया पे located है. Okay. Then we come across our next important thing, which is our Sumer. जो हम बोलते हैं ना Sumerian civilization. This is Sumer. ये जो ग्रीन कलर में somewhat, मतलब यहाँ पे लोकेशन सुमेर की है और ये जितना इसके ऊपर कंट्रोल था उसको अपने Sumerian civilization बोल देते हैं. Then we move on to Akkad. Now Akkad is obviously towards the center and it is marked very very clearly. I think you all can see it nicely. ये हो गया अपना Akkad. Then again one more important area is our Mari. हमने किया था Mari was very very important area and we can see its location clearly towards the, you can say, river Euphrates ki just above. I have marked it and I suppose this is clear to everyone. So with this we have located all the important, you can say, all the important areas, cities and the rivers of the Mesopotamian civilization. Now after this we will move on to our next chapter, ma'am. And the next chapter, as we already have completed, is our chapter 3 on the Roman Empire. And now again we will have to mark few important things of the Roman Empire, and these are River Rhine, River Danube, Spain, Rome, Sicily, Athens, Cyprus, सीरिया, कॉन्स्टेंटिनोपल जो है वो अपने को पता है, दिस वाज लेटर मेड दी कैपिटल, और उसके एरिया जो आसपास जो वो रूल करते थे वो बाइजेंटियम एम्पायर था. फिर बगदाद टुवर्ड्स द एंड जब इम्पोर्टेंस हो गई थी, इस्लाम आ रहा था तब, एंटियोक, गॉल, ये सारे जो है ये अपने को आने चाहिए इन दिस मैप. नाउ अगेन बिकॉज it is only a small part of the world, so first we should know what is its location in the world. तो इसकी location in the world क्या है? You can see this red colored area that is marked. It is our Roman civilization. You already know that then as the name of the chapter only suggests, It is located between the 3 continents, and we know this is our Europe, this is our Africa, and this side is Asia. So these 3 areas where we can clearly see that Roman Empire is expanding and it is spreading over 3 continents, which is this is Europe, this is Africa, and this is Asia. So this is the location of the Roman Empire if we talk in terms of the world. कि world में exactly Roman Empire कहाँ located. अब जो हमने important चीजें हमने जो बोला है that the places which are necessary for us to know whenever we are talking about the Roman civilization are the ones that we have just read, and now we will be locating them. So these areas, as you will notice, is first of all we will have river Rhine and river Danube. Now again I'll mark it with red color. This is your Rhine river. I think you all can easily see it. This is your Rhine river. Okay. Then along with after Rhine river, the next important river is river Danube. Now you can notice this river as well. This is your Danube river, the second important river of the Roman civilization. Then we move on to the next important thing, which is Rome. अब you can class when we started the chapter, then also I told you कि Rome जो है जिससे ये Roman civilization का नाम आया is actually located in Italy. This whole area is Italy. You all know this much is Italy. और Italy में ये जो dot है, this is your Rome. So Rome is obviously the most important thing that we should know if we want to talk about the Roman civilization. And remember, this is your Italy. This shoe shape, boot की shape में जैसे जो है, this is our Italy. Italy में located है Rome. Then we move on to the next important thing, which is Spain. You can see towards the corner of Europe we have Spain. Then we have Sicily. Where is Sicily? Sicily is towards the bottom. If you remember, when we did the unification of Italy, we did mention about this area, which is Sicily. This is our Sicily. After Sicily, we move on to the area which is just near it. This is Athens. This is Athens. Then we move on to the next important area, which is our, as I said, Constantinople. And Constantinople was the capital of the new empire, and it is also, and it was the capital और जो पूरी उस टाइम की empire थी, Byzantium empire बोलते हैं इसको. उसके बाद हमने किया था Antioch. Antioch is again one more important area. उसके बाद Syria, just below Antioch, you can notice there is one more area, which is this one. This is our Syria. And after this, we move on to the next one, which is Baghdad. So again, Baghdad is also very, very important. You know, towards the end of the Roman Empire, when the Islams were about to control and they were becoming more powerful, these were the important centers. And along with that, you need to know few more areas, just for, you can say, general awareness also. This is our Egypt. And then we also studied the Gauls actually attacked the Roman Empire. So this was the area where the Gauls ruled. And we are left with, I suppose, one more thing, which is our Cyprus. And the Damascus was also something important that we did study in the chapter. So with this map is also complete. Now just notice, see the Tigris river and the Euphrates river. So you can understand that where is Mesopotamia located in this particular map. और उससे ही कैसे आगे जाके we have the presence of the Roman Empire. तो अगर same map दें और they ask you to mark the things on the same map, you should know the location. ये है अपनी river Tigris, ये है river Euphrates और इसी के पास जो है अपनी ज्यादातर जो चीजें हैं जो मेसोपोटामियन सिविलाइजेशन की है वो है located. And few more things that we should know here. Mediterranean Sea is very important from every point of view because हमने पढ़ा early civilizations इसके आसपास ही क्या होती है expand होती है और इसके आसपास ही ये originate हुई थी और फिर इतनी important हो गई थी because the area was fertile, transportation was available and many more positive points that were available in this area. Because we are doing this, we have even studied towards one side of this civilization we had the Atlantic Ocean, and then this side just above your this Danube River, and you can say जो Constantinople है उसके ऊपर है अपनी Black Sea, or towards the corner we have Caspian Sea. Why I am asking you to understand these? Because जब exam में when they ask you map, you should understand कि देखो इस side पे Caspian Sea थी towards the east side, और somewhere थोड़ा सा north की side Black Sea थी, somewhere in the middle was the Mediterranean Sea, and towards the bottom we had the Red Sea. So if you know the location of few important ocean or seas, you will easily be able to locate the other important things also. Okay, now many more places are mentioned like Alexandria, Crete, and many more that are mentioned here or there in the chapter, but they are not that important from the point of view of map, but it is better if we know them. Okay, so with this we actually complete both the maps of our chapter 2 and 3. I will repeat all the locations again so that things are revised, and if you still have confusion you will get these slides as well, and later on you can even try to match the location of these places to your book as well. Okay, so let us now quickly move and quickly discuss the map points that we have done today. We have done the Euphrates River, we have done the Tigris River, we have done the areas which is Uruk, Ur, and we have done Nineveh and Mari as well. इसमें अपने बेबीलोन भी किया है, सुमेर भी किया है, and अक्कड़ भी किया है. Along with this, few other things we should know actually, जैसे अशुर, निपुर, ये सारे जो हैं ये भी important थे if we talk in terms of the important location of the Mesopotamian civilization. और जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी बोला था कि इसकी वर्ल्ड के हिसाब से जो हमारी लोकेशन है वो क्या है, it is if you see the previous maps that I have already shown it to you कि वर्ल्ड में इसकी लोकेशन ये है towards the, you can say somewhere just very near to Mediterranean Sea and between the Caspian and the Black Sea. और अगर थोड़ा expand करें तो इधर वाला मैप आ जाएगा अपना, and then we have done the exact location of the important areas of the Mesopotamian civilization. अब जब हम आ जाते हैं रोमन एम्पायर पे, तो रोमन एम्पायर में वर्ल्ड के अकॉर्डिंग अगर देखें तो हम देखेंगे ये जो एरिया मार्क्ड है जो है बिटवीन द थ्री कॉन्टिनेंट्स विच इज यूरोप, अफ्रीका एंड एशिया. ओके, यूरोप, एशिया एंड अफ्रीका के बीच में ये जो रेड वाला पूरा स्प्रेड है, दिस इज आवर रोमन एम्पायर. और अगर इसकी भी एरियाज को हम डिटेल में करें तो वी हैव डन many of the important areas. हमने किया है Rhine River, we have done the Danube River, we have done Constantinople, we have done Baghdad, then we have done Syria, Damascus, Cyprus, Sicily, Athens, Rome जहाँ पे मेन था, पूरे ये इटली है, then Spain, Gaul. Though Britain is mentioned, you already know where Britain is because we have done it in detail in our 10th class, but still you can just have a look at it again. Then we have done the other important things in this map. This is river Tigris, this is Euphrates, This is our Mediterranean Sea. Then we have Egypt and Nile River this side. We have Red Sea towards the bottom. Then we have Black Sea this side, Caspian Sea. And towards the western side, we have the Atlantic Ocean. All of these actually somewhat tells us the geography of this area and helps us understand the kind of life that these people used to have. इसमें थोड़ी और एक्स्ट्रा चीजें अपने की थी जैसे सार्डिनिया, क्रीट and you can say ये बाकी जो जैसे Alps mountains are if you see these are located here. Then we have you can say ये और भी जो चीजें हैं जैसे स्पेसिफिकली अगर बगदाद हम करें, बगदाद ज्यादातर इसलिए जरूरी है बिकॉज टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द रोमन एम्पायर these areas will become more important. So I think with this the map is clear to you. If you still have any doubt, feel free to ask. With this, we complete our chapter 2 and 3 of history, and in our next class, we'll be starting with our chapter 4. So, with this, we end the class today. We'll meet in our next class. So,